Hello kids! Today we are going to learn country and their flags. This flag is of United States. United States. United States. This flag is of Germany. 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 United Kingdom. This flag is of United Kingdom. India. This flag is of India. Italy. This flag is of Italy. Ireland. This flag is of Ireland. France. This flag is of France. France. New Zealand. This flag is of New Zealand. Germany, the Germany, Germany, the Germany. Switzerland, the Switzerland. It is the Switzerland. South Africa. This is South Africa. South Africa. Turkey. 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 Philippines. 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 This is Sweden. 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 This is South Korea. South Korea. South Korea. This is Hawaii. 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 This is Zimbabwe. 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 This is Norway. 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 This is Pakistan. 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 This is Bangladesh. 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 This is Vietnam. 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 This is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Malaysia. 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 This is Mexico. Mexico. This is Romania. 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 This is Poland. 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 This is Taiwan. 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 This is China. 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 This is Denmark. 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 This is Australia. 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 This is Singapore. 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 This is Indonesia. 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 This is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. This is Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. This is Oman. 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 This is Maldives. 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 This is Belgium. 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 This is Kuwait. 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 This is Kenya. 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 This is Bahrain. 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 This is United Arab Emirates. UAE. This is UAE. This is Scotland. 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 This is Qatar. 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 Thanks for watching it, kids. For more video, like and subscribe, and do let me know from which country you belong and which is your favorite flag. Thank you.